So I've got a quick story I want to share with you. Just an hour ago, I got an email from my friend Dean Carroll. And if you're not familiar with Dean, you should be. He's got fantastic courses on LinkedIn Learning, especially about sales and leadership. Here was the email he sent me. It was really brief. He just said, "For no reason at all, I was thinking about you and wondering how you and your family were doing. I appreciate you." And the funny thing about it was I had been thinking about Dean, so I picked up the phone, gave him a call. We just talked for 10 minutes. And in that little email, he taught me such a beautiful principle, because right now we're all physically isolated from each other to a degree. And just because we're physically isolating from each other does not mean that we need to be emotionally isolated from each other. If we can't be together in person, let's do it virtually. We can do what Dean did. Send out an email. You can pick up the phone, give someone a call. You can send them a video email. Lots of ways that you can connect with someone. So maybe someone comes to your mind that you could reach out to today, just like Dean reached out to me. And I'm going to link to his courses in this post. And I just want to thank you for being connected to me.